Hello, this is Timothy here again. Today I created a software that is called QR code scanner and analyzer. As you can see, that's the name, and this is by Timothy. As you can see, all right, it will scan from your camera, it will scan from file, and it will scan from URL. All right, so but today we are going to look into the QR code from your camera. Now, the purpose of this software is to make sure that you are protected from every unsafe website, from every unsafe files and all of that. You need to scan them and make sure that the file is safe to use it or for you to go to the website. So today let's do a test with our camera, all right, so that we see how it works. So now it's here. Let's scan. Boom, it's scanned already. So what did it say? It says content is safe. Look at the website here. This particular QR code is redirecting us to this particular website, and it is plain. It's showing the actual place that we are going to go. As you can see, it says URL appears safe. All right, content is safe. So this will help you to scan, analyze whatsoever code, QR code that you are scanning. I hope this helped a lot of people, and thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.